Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share notes to Instagram Reels or posts. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. For that, open the Play Store on your device. Here search for Instagram. Tap on it. Now tap on the update button if your Instagram isn't updated, because this is a new feature which is only available in the updated version of Instagram. So to use it, your Instagram must be updated. Once it's done, open the Instagram app. Now select any reel or post in which you want to add the note. Tap on this share icon. Here you will see an option of add note. Tap on it. Then you will be able to type in the note you want to share. Also, there is an option available to choose that who can view your shared note. Select either of it according to your preference. After adding the note, tap on share. Your note will now appear on the selected reel or post. Keep in mind the note will stay visible for 3 days and will automatically be removed after the period. And this is how you can share notes to Instagram reels or posts.